This product motion graphic was made with AI using Seedance 2.0. No After Effects, no manual keyframes, no editing timeline. I'm starting with 4 rough frames. These are not final references, they're just me putting the idea on the canvas. Now I'm going to turn those rough ideas into clean keyframes. I start with the orange gradient background, then use image edit to build the design step by step. First, I split the frame so we have the orange gradient on one side and a clean white panel on the other. Then I add red marker boxes where I want the mango pieces to go. These red boxes are just guides. I ask the image model to replace them with mango pieces, add the text, and use the exact green text color so the typography stays consistent. Once I like that frame, I use it to create the next one by mirroring the layout and changing the text. Then for the final frame, I go back to the full orange gradient background and add the smoothie bowl in the center with the final title. So now we have the real keyframes: opening background, first text layout, transition layout, and product reveal. These are what I'll use to guide Seedance. Now I'm going to use these polished keyframes as reference in my Seedance 2.0. For a short motion graphic like this, I usually prefer animating the whole sequence in one pass instead of generating separate clips between each frame. If the video is under 15 seconds, one full generation usually gives me better consistency. Here's the animation prompt structure. I'm telling Seedance to start with the orange gradient background, move into the first text layout, slide the orange gradient and white panel across the frame, and end on the smoothie bowl reveal. And here's the result. The movement is simple, but that's what makes it usable. The background transitions cleanly, the mango pieces add motion, and the final product reveal gives the ad a clear ending. The reason this works is that Seedance is not starting from nothing. The rough storyboard gives us direction. The image edits turn that direction into clean keyframes, and Seedance uses those keyframes to guide the final motion. If I wanted to improve this, I would just tighten the prompt. Slower mango movement, smoother product reveal, less camera movement. That's usually how I work with AI video. Generate once, see what needs fixing, then make the next version cleaner. And because this is built as a Wondernode workflow, I can reuse the same setup for other products. Mango smoothie today, coffee, skincare, protein bars, or drink brands tomorrow. I'll include the template so you can try it with your own product.